Hey guys, just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who's continued to like, subscribe, comment and watch the videos. Sadly we were in a bit of a rush. We're having problems getting the sorter restart after turning it off. It just must have got too hot. We believe it might have been a cheap crappy spark plug and maybe the coil. We'll be looking into that a bit further, but yeah, it seemed to come out alright, so hope you guys enjoy. Cheers.
It is a spicy saw though. Like, I had all the throttle control in the world.
Yep.
That was me just doing that on purpose to see where it smoothed out.
Yep. Starting to get a bit more chatter in it though.
Yeah, that's just the chain getting loose. Well, look at this.
Oh yeah.
So that's just the chain doing this as it goes through. There's some nice boards though, eh?
They certainly are. We wouldn't have got...
Nah, wouldn't have got another one.
Probably an inch and a half.
Lot left down this end though.
Yeah. You'd be able to probably get a shot.
Oh, do you know what we didn't do? We didn't lift the ladder. Remember last time we put a block in the ladder? We were in too much of a rush.
That's right. The boards are fairly even width, like all the way through.
Yeah.
So I'll shut this down for you.
Yeah, it'll just be, that one there will be thicker at one end.
Yeah.
And this one here will be thicker at one end.